This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Summit 184 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, refrigerator, stove top burner, LP detector, Slideout, Skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Summit 184 BHS is 4,202 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.